President of India. The Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji. I request one and all to kindly remain standing for the national anthem.
The Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji, on her maiden visit to our beautiful state of Meghalaya. On behalf of the people of the state of Meghalaya and the state government, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to the Honorable President for visiting our state and spending her valuable time with the people of Meghalaya, a tribal majority state home to three major tribes of Khasi, Jaintias, Garos, other minor tribes and people of different ethnicities. Your visit, Honorable President, is a landmark event and an inspiration to the people of our state, since you are the first member of a tribal community to be elected the President of our great country, India. On this historic occasion, I also have the proud privilege to welcome in our midst Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, and the members of the Cabinet, including Shri Sngau Bahadhar, Deputy Chief Minister, Honorable Tourism Minister, Shri Paul Lengdo, Honorable Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister, Dr. Amprin Lengdo, other Cabinet Ministers present. I also accord a warm welcome to all the honorable MLAs who are here with us today, the CM and MDCs of the KHADCs, the traditional heads from the Hima Mauplang and other Himas of the region, the Rangbachnongs and all other dignitaries, including officials from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and all the officers from the state government.
Thank you, sir. And the paila, a Khasi necklace.
Heritage village of Mauplang as a daughter of the soil of India. Nature has blessed Meghalaya with its choices abundant. Our state is nestled amidst a rich collage of clouds, hills, valleys, and forests. Our landscape is intricately embroidered with countless streams, waterfalls, caves, sacred groves, and living root bridges. We are delighted to share with you that Meghalaya has made considerable headway in the tourism sector, and we are witnessing an unprecedented number of innovative infrastructural and entrepreneurial initiatives aimed at developing tourism and generating livelihood opportunities for our people. As part of that mission, we have put in place a comprehensive tourism policy.
On behalf of the people of the state, I would like to extend our heartfelt greetings to our Honorable President on her maiden visit to our state. Meghalaya is a home to indigenous communities who have for generations shared an intimate bond with nature. In no other place is that relationship more vividly enshrined than the Mauplang Sacred Groves. The Mauplang Sacred Grove is not just an iconic tourist attraction of Meghalaya, it is also a symbol of our rich cultural heritage, our ethos of being one with nature, which has been preserved and protected for generations to come. The Honorable President has laid the foundation for the rural tourism accommodation in the villages of Kongthong, Molingot, and Kudengrim. The concept of rural tourism will offer the people of Meghalaya an opportunity to not only preserve their way of life, but to showcase it to the world. These are the examples of the best that Meghalaya tourism has to offer, grounded in the principles of sustainable and responsible tourism. Honorable President, our government has set an ambitious target of making Meghalaya a $10 billion economy by 2028. The tourism sector, being a job multiplier, will play a crucial role in our efforts to achieve that target and create sustainable livelihoods for the people of the state and showcase the natural beauty of our landscape to the rest of the world. I also thank the Honorable President for inaugurating two newly upgraded roads, the Rongjeng Mangsang Atokri Road and the Mairang Ranigodown Azra Road, which will provide crucial access between the districts of Meghalaya and Guwahati Airport. These roads are a part of a much larger effort by our government to develop the infrastructure of our state, be it critical infrastructure like roads, power, drinking water, rural housing, and social infrastructure like public health and educational facilities. As an outcome of such efforts, we have provided a record number of drinking water connections to the remotest habitation in our state. In 2018, our state had fewer than 4,500 households with tap water connection. I am happy to share that today there are more than 4.7 lakh households with tap water connection, which is higher than the national average, taking Meghalaya, as I said, well above the national average of the Jal Jeevan mission.
I'm happy to meet tribal brothers and sisters of Meghalaya gathered here in large numbers. I was really looking forward to interact with you. When I landed in Meghalaya, I experienced that this state is indeed uniquely blessed by Mother Nature. I am told that the Mauplang Sacred Grove is home to the most celebrated of Meghalaya's Longkingtang or ancient sacred groves. This forest, aged more than 700 years, has attracted many visitors, tourists, and researchers from around the globe. They admire the wisdom of our forefathers who understood and used this traditional concept of conserving nature. We all should make serious efforts to preserve this kind of forest, which is a treasure house of biodiversity. I am happy to know that Meghalaya has been making a determined effort to emerge as a model state and offering a balanced approach to modernity and tradition. With good FDI inflows, high efforts, and a dynamic demography, Meghalaya is emerging as a growth leader and offers an inspiring story. Local produce such as Lakadong turmeric and strawberries are high in demand. I have been told that e-proposal scheme system of the government of Meghalaya has won the coveted UN Award World Summit on the Information Society Forum Prize in 2022. I congratulate the government and residents of Meghalaya for this achievement. The government has made significant conservation efforts to ensure that biodiversity is maintained. I have been told that the Green Meghalaya initiative has been launched, through which the communities are rewarded for preserving and protecting the natural cover. Ladies and gentlemen, I have inaugurated various connectivity-related and developmental projects today. I am confident that these projects will improve connectivity and will enable Meghalaya to move ahead on the path of sustainable and inclusive development. Since time immemorial, tribal people has been the vanguard of environmental conservation based on indigenous knowledge, culture, and religious beliefs. Tribal practices can be good case studies of how there can be a symbiotic relationship between human beings and nature. Believe that Ubasa, or goddess, dwells among lush green forests. I have said earlier also that this concept of earth-shaping nature as a divine gift has played a significant role in conservation efforts. Tribal lifestyle contributes to the promotion of natural and national goals of biodiversity conservation and maintaining the ecological balance. Ladies and gentlemen, today I interacted with the self-help groups here in Meghalaya. Women have played a significant role in the success of self-help groups and value chain addition. It is inspiring to see that women are not just passive beneficiaries, but active agents of change. I also want to highlight the role of women in conservation and climate action efforts. It is well documented that women are at the heart of the conservation efforts. Women in tribal societies have been showing the way in protecting the environment and sharing their wisdom and skills to enhance adaptation and mitigation. By increasing the participation of women in climate initiatives and decision-making processes, more can be done for active climate action and biodiversity conservation. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to ensure that our heritage is not lost. Therefore, we also need to document local practices for effective conservation and management. Traditional Knowledge Digital Library is a good initiative of the Government of India to protect traditional knowledge in medicines. I am sure that by adopting a comprehensive and holistic approach of sustainable development and learning from our ancient wisdom, we can together address various challenges and preserve this beautiful planet with all its natural bounties for the future generation. Thank you, Kublai. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.